well the next big weather change. First at 5:30, vaping among teens continues to climb, and there's no sign kids are quitting anytime soon. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Felicia Rodriguez.
And I'm Tiffany Kenny. Recent numbers reveal as many as 4 million American students are vaping, with the Surgeon General calling it an epidemic. Anthony Kosturer with a closer look at what parents are now doing to stop the trend.
Last month, the Surgeon General issued a warning directly to parents to be on the lookout for vaping pens like this one. Well, local experts say it's working, and now those parents are taking it to the next level.
Strawberries, bananas, danishes, vanillas.
With sweet and fruity flavors hitting the market, the vaping trend is reaching more than its intended legal audience.
Vape shops have always had strict rules, even before rules were set into place by the FDA. We don't want kids smoking e-cigs at all, or regular cigarettes.
But despite well-marked signs,
you had to have the labels, warnings on 2 sides.
And those clear warning labels, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says nearly 4 million students nationwide are vaping. That means they're getting a hold of it somehow, and a local testing clinic says it's seeing the concern from parents firsthand.
But they're afraid about their child development. Nicotine or any drugs are always going to affect it, and your brain development doesn't stop until age 25. So
the FDA says one vaping cartridge or pod contains about as much nicotine as a pack of 20 regular cigarettes. So while harsher rules get put into place, many say it starts at home.
I think it's also parents, it's on them.
And that's exactly what the folks with Any Lab Test in Palm Beach County say parents are doing to crack down on this toxic trend.
Parents with the 12-year-olds coming in all the way to 15-year-olds, 16-year-olds. Or we can do blood, hair, or urine test and show you whether or not your child was using nicotine in the last 24 hours, all the way up to several months.
If it seems excessive, the Centers for Disease Control says teens who start vaping are more likely to go on to burn cigarettes. That's the very latest in Palm Beach Gardens. Anthony Kosturer, WPBF 20.